What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing video of this thing right here. So before we dive into that, I'm going to go ahead and give you some context. Unfortunately, some piece of shit decided to take a knife or blade of some sort to my TRX and carve it in there right on this little fender piece right there, and then right into the fender flare as well. It's dark outside right now, so probably not the best time to be filming this, but I'll go ahead and throw a daytime clip in there. But yeah, as you can see, not very cool when people destroy your property for no reason. So I went ahead and ordered a dash cam. So today we're just going to be doing an unboxing video so you can see exactly what comes in the box, and then once the battery pack comes up, or not comes up but actually gets delivered, we're going to go ahead and do an install video on the TRX. So for today, let's dive into this. So like I had mentioned, this is the Blackvue DR590X one channel dash cam. You can see right up here, one channel, full HD, 60 frames per second, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth camera. So this is exactly how it comes shipped. You can check out the box there. It has all the specs. So just so you can see, over here, just regular, cardboard box. Back here, SKU number, more stats, stuff like that. Let's go ahead, get this thing opened. Doing this with one hand, I'm sorry. So the camera's right there, so I'm gonna pull this out, just set it to the side for now. And then inside here, we have the power cable. So this plugs into like a cigarette lighter or something like that. Then that right there is just like a little power port that goes into the camera itself. Comes with micro SD card with an adapter right there. And then over here, these are little tabs that go on like the windshield if you want to go ahead and more or less for cable management. You want to kind of just put the stuff like let me explain. I'm getting like tongue-tied here. So if you mount your camera like right there, but the power cord is obviously like down here on your dash, you can route the wire. So those what those little brackets are for right there. And then sorry about that, I just wanted to explain that. Then what else do we have? Just some instructions. So that's what comes in the box. So now let's check out the camera real quick. So here we go. Got the little camera right here, Blackvue. Over here, right where you can plug in your USB, click the Wi-Fi button. Also right there for the power port. Your buttons over here. This is if you want to release the camera from this little like its little mount, just push that button right there and you can slide it out. And then right here is your little sticky mount, so you can go ahead and stick that on the windshield. But yeah, there it is. I went ahead and removed the camera from the little mounting bracket right there, just so you can go ahead, have a quick look at it. Again, there's a little QR code right there for connecting it to the app. Now this part lifts up right here. That's where you go ahead and insert the little micro USB. So just wanted to show you guys that as well. All there is to it. Just wanted to go ahead and make a quick little unboxing video for you guys so you can see what the next install video is going to be on the channel. So yeah guys, quick one. Just wanted to give you guys an update, and hopefully this goes well, and I'll be seeing you guys shortly with the install video. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.